5 at a Time is one of our favorite games to practice lining up sequences. The goal of the game is to place 5 number squares on the line in order. Each game begins with an empty number line on the bottom. There are 5 spaces for you to fill up with the number squares that pass by. The left side will be for smaller numbers, and the right side for larger numbers. Click a spot on the line to place the number where you think it should be. If you need to move a block after you've placed it on the line, drag it to an open space, left or right. A red X will appear if you make a mistake, but you won't have to start over. Just keep moving the blocks and wait for the right pieces to complete the sequence. If the sequence you made is in the correct order from less to more, the board will reset and your progress meter will move up. Fill the entire meter to advance on to the next game. As you move on to the higher rounds, the sequences get a little trickier. The range of numbers will grow from 1 to 20 to as high as 1 to 100. This may sound like a lot, but we know you can do it. Focus on setting the smallest and largest numbers in the sequence, and remember to slide pieces left or right if you need to. For an extra challenge and to earn bonus stickers, place all 5 number squares in the correct order without having to move any. We hope you have fun playing 5 at a Time. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!